Today I'm going to show you how to get a phone number in the GoHighLevel system. Now, what this means is that we're going to search by area code, and then we're just going to guess if it's a number we like. No, we're going to do better than that. So let's get started. Upon getting a new account, you'll notice it has this notice up here. We're going to click resolve. It's going to take us to the settings and then the phone numbers. We're going to click get new phone number. We're going to search by area code. Yours can be whatever you need it to be. All right, so first of all, we want to look, are these ones that I like? Does it sound good when you say it out loud? Stuff like that. If you don't like any of these, just click search again. Okay, this one's got a repeat. That's good. Let's say it out loud. 7312444. It's kind of cumbersome to say. Not going to stick with it. 5759. 5800. Okay, so we've got different options here. Of course, you can just search through here all day. You can pick whatever area code you want. All right, so I'm going to show you a couple websites that can help you pick a number. So these numbers, whoever's running the phone system, in this case Twilio, is they buy certain numbers or have access to certain numbers. So that's why you only see certain prefixes. So 601, 393, 818. And what we can do is there's a website called phonespell.org, and you can type in, let's say I want my name, Cliff. I can try to find a number that includes that. So maybe I want to look for 254. I don't know if 254 is available in my 918 area code. Another tool we can use is called numberguru.com. But the way to use this, if I just go to numberguru.com, it wants you to type in the whole phone number, which is fine. If you know the whole phone number, like let's do this one. It'll work. What I really want to know is, what does this number spell? If I'm not in someone's address book, then where will it look like I'm calling from? So the URL is numberguru.com/phone/area code/the next three, then /the next four. If you wanted to, or you can do just a partial URL. So you can see the 918393 is in Sequoia County in Muldrow, Oklahoma. I've never heard of that. I'm not the most geographically minded in the state of Oklahoma, but I'm probably not going to pick that. I want something that shows up nearby. So now I know I can search 601 and 818. Just going to change the area code or the next three numbers of after the area code. Okay, this one's in Delaware, Oklahoma. 601. Nowata, Oklahoma. Okay, so we're going to keep searching. We didn't find one that we liked. Still 393, 731. Depew. All right, so 601 is going to be what looks like of the three that are available. Going to be my best choice for now. So then I'm just looking for 601. All right, so this other website, phonespell.org, we're looking for 918601. Let's see what 601 spells. Okay. So let's do jury, try, biz. The other reason to do this isn't just to look for vanity words that you could include, but also to make sure you don't accidentally spell something that would be bad for you. Okay, so zeros and ones have no alphabetic counterpart. Okay, so this is good. I think I'm going to go with that one. Yeah, no words in there that I need. All right, so 5150, we're going to stick with that. Let me save. Now what we can do is change the name. This is an internal name. Forward calls to your own personal cell phone number. We're not going to include past called numbers, caller ID, because we're going to include it in the whisper message. And our whisper message is going to be pretty clever here because we can, these merge fields work. Call from, if they're in our database, call from John Smith, and then it's going to say the name of the location. So in this case, Cliff Serves. Call recording if you want. If you don't want a message because you're not legally required to disclose, it can be one-party consent, then you can just put a space in here and it will not play any message before it records. Incoming call, timeout, you can put whatever you want. Okay. So now we can dial out, we can dial in, go to our contacts, create a new contact, and start dialing. You don't have a contact and you just want to dial a phone number, any phone number at all, go to the conversations view. In this case, I'm going to have to refresh, a full refresh. I'm looking for the phone icon. There we go. So now that it knows that I have a phone number in my account, now I can just call any number at all. Type it in here. And if you have multiple numbers, you can pick which number you are calling from. And you would click right here to dial. And then once you're connected to the call, you can transfer, you can, push one for sales, all that kind of stuff. You can, you'll have the dial pad here on the soft phone when you dial out. And any phone number that you dial or that dials you is going to be automatically created as a contact. And you can assign them a name later. And then if, let's say you dial a phone number and then you get the phone number auto assigned after they confirm, yes, that's their name, you put their contact name in there. And then if they call you back, that whisper message is going to say call from their name. And then if you run multiple locations for high level, then it'll also say the location name. So it'll tell you everything you need to know for you to press, press one to connect the call, something like that. So this is the way I like to do it.